There's Grandma's elf on the shelf. Oh my goodness. Where's Grandma? Grandma's in the living room. What are you doing, Louis? Looking all cute. Oh, so good baby. You got ears. Let me see. Oh, that's a cute little hat. That's just a cute little hat, baby. Yeah. Should we go see Grandma? Come on. Come on. Up. There you go. Oh, it's a good baby. Yeah. Here it is. There's Grandma. We got an elf on a shelf, Grandma. He's like, uh-huh. Say hi, Grandma. She's chewing on her hoodie. You gonna get the ear off? There's Uncle Burt. He just got done playing in the snow.